What's up guys, you are watching the Sid Show, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the PlayStation 4 error. The PlayStation 4 error code is WC-40371-5. It's a voucher. It's not valid on your PlayStation 5 while you're trying to add a voucher. So simply I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. You simply go to your Play Store and add redeem codes. You just try to add redeem codes. Here are gift card codes, and I'm just adding randomly, and then I'm show you which type of error you get. This is the and continue, and you get the error. So you must have to check your region before you buy a redeem code or a gift card. If you have American redeem code region, then you must buy a gift card American. So here we go, setting address, and here you have a London. You have a region on your PSN account. I have a region on my PSN account is a UK. So I just add a gift code, a UK gift code. I must buy a UK gift code and add it. It will be work. If I buy a US gift code and add it, it's not gonna work. So you must have the same region and same gift code. If you have a US region, you must buy a US region code. If you have a Middle East, you must buy a Middle East. If you have a Turkish, you must buy a Turkish. So that's how simply you can fix this error. And I hope so far my video helpful for you. If you want to ask me a question, then just leave a comment in the comment below. And if you need any help or query, you just watch my videos, and see you soon for the next one, for the next video.